Hey there, For Real family. It's your friend Anna again. Today we're diving into the world of Apple Watches. We all know our shiny little timepieces do a lot, but how annoying is it when you need to reply to a message and there's no keyboard? Well, worry not. There's a hero feature that can save the day. Dictation. Let's get into it. Using Dictation on your Apple Watch is easier than you'd think, and it's a real time-saving trick. We're going to talk about 3 use cases today: replying to a message, answering an email, and using it for directions. You got a message on your Apple Watch? Great, you can reply just by using your voice. Just get into your messages, select the chat you want to reply to, hit that little microphone icon, and let it rip. Speak your message, even add punctuation by saying stuff like question mark or full stop. Did you know you can switch your Apple Watch settings to send these as voice messages instead of texts? When you're not in the mood for typing or you're on the go, Dictation is your best bet. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, how about smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel? And hey, drop a comment down below if you have any questions or just want to show us some love. Every bit of support helps our For Real community. Okay, let's dive back in. Got an email that needs your attention? Your Apple Watch has got that covered too. Navigate to your mail. Select the email you want to reply to. Hit the reply button, then the microphone icon, and speak your message. You can even slip in some punctuation. Remember to double-check your message when you're done though. We don't want any funny autocorrect situations. Dictation on Apple Watch is super handy for navigation. Just open Maps, hit the search icon, select the search bar, and tell your watch where you want to go. It's a lifesaver when you're out and about, trust me. But what happens if Dictation doesn't work? No stress. A few tricks can get you back up and running. You can turn your Apple Watch and iPhone off and on again. Try a force restart on your watch, or close and reopen the apps you want to use Dictation with. These tricks should help you out when the tech starts acting up. And that's all there is to it. Dictation on your Apple Watch is easier than it seems, and it can really make your life so much simpler. Thanks for tuning in with me today. I had a blast sharing this with you, and I hope it was helpful. Remember, For Real family, be good to each other and keep questing for that real-life magic. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.